Yes. What are you kicking? That's not how you hold it with your fist. Okay. Yummy, yum, yum. To the tum tum, the milk is good. Nah, nah, nah. Okay, mommy gonna back up. Mommy back up. Now let's focus. I'm drinking her milk. She said, I'm not gonna let that drop. Nope. As soon as I turn on the TV. Baba is good? Look how you holding it. Not like that. You're holding it with your egg. You know what I say? Open your hands. Thank you. Say bye-bye. I'm drinking my bottle. Leave me alone, mommy.